Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Tuesday, September 25th, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, as we get started here, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 4.25 points. You can see that they were decently higher than that, around probably 7 o'clock in the morning, but they have rolled over a bit. So we'll see what we get. Yesterday was a pretty weak day for the Dow. The NASDAQ was able to carve out a positive gain. The S&P was down. The Russell was lower. We'll see what today brings. Again, we'll watch this market closely, but in the meantime, we have stocks in the news, so let's get started right there. We're going to start the day off with Facebook. It looks like the Instagram founders are leaving the company, and Facebook right now trading at 161.43. It closed at 165.41. So pretty good little haircut there. Stock did go down in the pre-market here and test the 160 area. We never cracked that level though, but if it does crack, floodgates could open, so you want to be a little bit on your toes with Facebook here. We'll see how it plays out, but once again, it looks like the Instagram founders are leaving the company. So again, that is the news. Let's take a look at Snapchat today, SNAP. That is catching a little bit of a bid on the back of that news. That stock closed at $8.95, now trading at $9.25. Also want to take a look at Twitter. TWTR is the ticker symbol there. That stock's trading at $28.67, basically right where it closed, so no movement there. We'll keep an eye on that a little bit later. Next one we want to take a look at is going to be FDS. This is Factset. The stock right now reporting earnings this morning. This is getting hit pretty hard. It closed at $231.65. Now trading at $219.87. Now I just want to remind everybody, this is a light volume stock. Normally it trades less than 1 million shares a day. So again, there's not a lot of volume behind this move. So we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. There looks to be pretty good support around 215 and a little bit more around 210. But again, it's a light volume name, comes with much higher risk. Let's take a look at JBL. JBL is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $30.60. This closed at $30.08. So JBL reporting earnings, upticking a little bit here. I don't know if there's a whole lot to do with this name right now, but I will say this, that we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. There's still a lot of support around $28.25 and more around the $28 level if it gets there today. So we'll keep that one on the radar. Next up, we're going to take a look at Tilray. So Tilray on a little bit of a move today. This closed at $99.50 yesterday, now trading at $116. So a little bit of a pop there. There's some news on the stock. Also, you want to watch Canopy Growth, CGC. That is getting a little bit of an uptick too. This closed at $52.50. Now it's trading at $54. So little uptick there. Marijuana names in play today. There is some news out on it. You can check it out yourself. There's constantly news in these names. We also want to take a look at Square today, SQ. It looks like this was on a target raise. Stock closed at $86, now trading at $88.40. So good pop for Square. The stock has been pulling back over the last week or so, and we'll see how it plays out today. Let's take a look at Michael Kors. Yesterday, the stock sold off on news that they were going to buy Versace. That was really not confirmed, but today it is confirmed. So it looks like Michael Kors confirms it will acquire Versace, I believe, for $2.1 billion. Stock closed at $66.71. It is now trading at $67.70. A level I like for this stock today would be around $59.25, somewhere there. $59, $59.25. If it gets there, I think that's a decent pop play for an intraday bounce in Michael Kors, K-O-R-S. So just keep that on the radar. Again, that level is $59.25. Anywhere in that area, give or take 5 cents, should do the trick. All right, let's move over now to the gold market. Gold futures trading up 90 cents to $1,200.05 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, you'll see that's trading at $113.63, just a hair above where it closed yesterday at $113.47. We have crude oil today up another 43 cents to $72.50 a barrel. So crude on the move again today. You also have the USO, which is a good ETF to track the movement in crude. You'll see that's trading at $15.30 today. So all in all, oil's on the move. Gold is upticked just a little bit And then we have the US dollar index. Remember, we're using the Z contract now. That is down just a touch as well. So it's going to be an interesting day out here. We'll see how it plays out. Tomorrow is the highly anticipated FOMC announcement. So we'll see if this market does a whole lot today ahead of the Fed. But either way, if you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Just another solid day yesterday. And what can you say? It's been a great 2018. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we'll see you on the charts.